Oh. Hi, this is Shiva Rajaya from vitalcoaching.com. Welcome to Kauai, beautiful, gorgeous island here in the middle of the Pacific. I've been in Hawaii now for like 3 weeks and paddling today in this gorgeous river. Magnificent. Enjoying the beauty, enjoying the bliss. Gorgeous silence. Pure beauty and peace. Right now the message that I feel like sending out is this one. Protect nature and humankind. Protect nature and humankind. Protect all life forces on this planet, all life forms. Clear the way for manifestation to happen. Protect nature and humankind. I'm an optimist guy, okay? I feel that as human race we are already doing quite well. There is lots of consciousness, lots of awareness, lots of beauty that we are manifesting. And I think and I feel that we are already doing great. And I feel as well that we can do much better. I feel that the way we have been treating nature until now is not optimized. And I feel that we need to protect places and environments. So this is a profound call coming from my heart. I'm not inventing anything, of course. I'm just feeling into it. It's a request, a prayer to the cosmos, to humankind, to the planet, to all the invisible forces at play. Protect nature and humankind. Make it a priority from now on. Angels, spirits, devas, human beings. We have been empowered to have a profound impact on our lives, on the lives of others, on the beauty that surrounds us. We need to take responsibility, and we need to optimize, harmonize, and empower the way we relate to nature. I feel that something beautiful is emerging in this year, 2012. And when I look around me, I look at the people I meet, I see beauty everywhere. We are so lucky. So lucky for the green, the plants, the animals, the blue sky, all these white clouds, all this power of manifestation, all this power of bliss, this power that we have as a human race, this power of creation. I invoke the invisible call every human being on this planet. Take responsibility. Take action. Become an agent of beauty, an agent of bliss, an agent of service. Offer your life to the planet and humankind. Offer life, offer force, offer protection. Offer your power, your bliss, your beauty. We are a beautiful human race, traveling across the universe in an expansive, creative experiment. And our program of manifestation is ready for an upgrade, for a big, profound, radical upgrade. We need to think about the planet as a whole. We need to serve, we need to protect. Protect nature and humankind.